In this video, we will see that how we can set our Python environment on Windows. For actual development, we will use Python on Windows throughout our course. I will show the practical to you. First, you have to go to official website of Python. In Python downloads, you will download the latest release. Here you have latest release 3.8.2. You will download it. After downloading, you have to install it as an administrator. I have already downloaded it. I have installed it also, but we will see it as a demo. I have downloaded 3.7 because 3.8 is already installed, so it will update it instead of installing. We will run this. The most important thing is that you have installed now option in which it is written in Python 3.7 to path. This must be checked. The reason is that if you will not check this, then manually you have to update system environment variable. So during configuration, you will run any command. It can tell you which version of Python you are using. You can use multiple versions of Python on the same operating system at once. Here at Python 3.7 to path, we will go to install now. We will install this. After installation, proper execution will be shown. When it will be installed, you go to CMD. You type Python here. It will show the version of Python. I have 3.8.2 version which is installed and we are using it. If I have to use it in the terminal, I can use it in terminal also. I will type a command print. It has displayed exact output against my command. I am at this time in Python environment. If I want to go out of it, I will write exit. Then I will come in my system's environment. After installing Python, which interpreter or IDE can be used, we will see in our next video the IDE that will be used in development.